Hello my lovely butterflies. It's been a while since I uploaded a haul and I've been very crafty lately. I have gotten out of my planner phase, although I still have a couple of planners, but I haven't really broken into them this year. I've been more creating statement accessories like necklaces and earrings, and I've been having a lot of fun with that. That's really been always my passion, just creating custom jewelry. So anywho, I went to Hobby Lobby today specifically looking for this actual poster board, just so I have a nice little background when I show you some of my stuff. And I heard, I've seen other YouTubers do it, so I kind of jumped on the bandwagon. But while I was at Hobby Lobby today, they have a lot of things on clearance. So, and I'm sorry about the background noise, I can't help it. My son is watching his TV and just being, rowdy. Anyhow, so I found this really awesome like hanging decor piece with the different color tie-dye, and I loved it ever since I saw it at the beginning of the summer, but it was $17.99 and I could not bring myself to actually pay this price. Right now all of the spring decor is, I think, 80% off, so this was about $3.80 that I paid for it. It's macrame, like here at the top, and then you just hang it up. You really can't see the whole thing, but you get the idea. You just hang it up from here, and I really loved it, so I got it, and I was excited because this was the last one and I wanted it since the beginning. Then I found a bunch of paper. Excuse me, Nova, I'm doing a video. Okay. I found a bunch of paper, well, not a bunch, but I found a couple of papers that I really liked, and I really loved this hollow unicorn paper. I am still infatuated with unicorns, even though I have said I had phased out. I don't think I have yet. And then here is this beautiful piece of paper. Something about just looking at this makes me really, really happy. And so I had to get it. And wait, I didn't tell you the prices. For the unicorn paper, it was $1.99, and for the floral paper, it was 69 cents. These weren't on sale this week. I'm sure you can catch these on sale probably next week. And this one was 69 cents as well. And it just makes me feel so happy. This is kind of like a really good fall floral paper, I feel. The other one is more springy. So I got those, and then I got this beautiful frame. You can see the glare of my ring light, but I think it says God loves you with, I'm not sure, I don't want to open it just yet because I want to have this in my business. I really love the colors. It's definitely my aesthetics. It's gorgeous. Let me like flip it around so you guys can see it better. I think maybe not. There you go, a little bit better. But this one was originally $24.99 and I paid $5 for it. So it was really, really cool. I love decorating with spring decor all year round. That's my favorite kind of decor. I really just like fall decor and winter decor even more, but it is what it is, right? And so I found these on clearance. These are, what are these called? They're like hairpins, and so you can attach whatever you'd like. I was thinking flowers. These will hold up your hair nicely, and they were 74 cents. So I got those, and I got 3 of them. And then not this time around, but a while back, since I am making jewelry and I just wanted to share what I had picked up. I had picked up a bunch of stuff to make jewelry with, and I will show you some of the stuff that I've currently made. But I got these little swans. They're so pretty. And I got this one, the Paper Studio paper crafts were half off. So everything that I'm showing you now was half off. And these are the llamas. It says no drama. So from that original price, it was half off. These are patches. I got another set of those. And I got these really cute glasses. How cool are these? Those are stickers. And I got these flowers. Nova, please get out of there before you break something. Got these really cute flowers. you know, filming YouTube videos while trying to be a mom at the same time. The struggle is real. And then I got these flowers. I got these guys. Really cute gemstones for $1. And I got these. Now these are technically, I think, for probably like planners, or, you know, it says paper crafts, so I assume it's like just a dangle for your planner, but I'm thinking more jewelry. I don't know, I'll see what I come up with. And I got the swans. I saw so many people hauling these swans and I thought they were just gorgeous, but like, think about them in earrings. How cute would that be? I think it's just perfect. So that's why I got 2 sets of them, because obviously I need them to be the same, or, you know, maybe not. And then I got the unicorns. These are so cute, and they have like little ribbons there. I really love those. And I got more flowers. I love these like flower cabochons. I really, really do. I love them so much. Always love that. And then these guys, again, I think for earrings these would look cute, like dangling, maybe a couple of these. And so I got 2 of them. And then I got these flowers. These are not my favorite colors, but I figured they probably would come in good use in certain pieces. So I just got those. And then I got these as well. And I was thinking these would look cute either as like a necklace charm with like a couple pieces of glitter or sequins, or even earrings, you know, with the same idea. So I'm gonna try that and see how it works out. And then I found these beautiful pieces of gemstones. They, oh my gosh, I don't know if these are actual gemstones, but they're really, really nice.
Hi, Mommy Queen.
Hi, Nova Prince. He obviously wants my attention right now. But yeah, so I got 2 packs of these.
Mommy?
Yes, honey.
My daddy has a thing on the same time.
And then I got, let me move this out of the way so you can see this, but I got these gemstones, and I love how they really catch the light and it changes colors. I just love that. And I think for that Hobby Lobby stuff, it was all that. I got a couple stuff from Michael's the other day. I found these on clearance, and these are doilies, 5 pieces for $2.99. I thought these would be cool to make dream catchers out of them, so I'm gonna try that. And then I got these really cool, fun little lights. These are from Target. They have like all of the back to school stuff hanging around now. So they had these, and I got 2 packs of these. I really, really like it. Thought they were really fun. They also had one that kind of looked like rubber bands. And so, oh yeah, I also got some more of my E6000, and I noticed that these have these really cool tips. Especially since I'm making jewelry, I kind of needed a finer tip to help me really spread the glue evenly and more precisely. And then I wanted to show you a couple of the pieces that I have been making, just so you see what I'm talking about. But here are some of them. I made these using patches. How cool are these? And just, you know, everything that I have in my stash, what did I just say? Anywho, I had, you know, these little, what are these called? Tassels, I guess. Tassel ribbons. And then I had these 2, you know, all the stuff I have just hanging around instead of to put it to good use. And these are some really cool earrings. I really like them. And these are some that I had made a while ago, but they're like pom-poms and tassels. So I have these. And then I want to show you the other ones I have. Give me a second. Okay, so here goes a couple of the pieces that I have been making. This is one pair, and there goes Nova. This is another pair. This one's another one. And these are all using patches. I was completely inspired from shops that I saw in Miami and the Wynwood area. I actually picked up a couple of pieces from some of the makers there, and I was so inspired to create my own pieces, and I really loved how they came out. I really, really did. I even made this display board using plywood that I found hanging on the side of the road one day. And I think it came out so super cute. I just put some clothespins and it looks so cool. I really love it. So yeah, I'm selling these for $25 a piece. And if any of you are interested, let me know. Just send me a private message and we can work something out. So yeah, that's really, really cool, right? So anywho, I hope you guys enjoyed my little video, and there goes my mess of things behind the scenes. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, fly free butterflies. Bye!